I've come to look for
Native America.
Native America.
Hey, good morning. Mino Giga Jeb. Good morning. And welcome back to the show. Welcome back. BOOZHOO.
back.
Nana BOOZHOO. The podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO. This is the lovely Hoa.
Get out of here.
The lovely and the talented Natasha. Ekadon BOOZHOO, sweetie. Say hello to these mooks.
BOOZHOO, Kakina. Hello, everyone.
And welcome to the pre-taped call-in show. The pre-taped live stream. We're looking forward to your letters and your comments, and the phone lines are open. All right, who's our first caller, sweetie?
Nobody. Nobody called.
Oh, that's so strange.
I know.
How come nobody's calling in a pre-taped show? All right. What are we going to talk about today? You know what? Let me right away say, I gotta send a chi Miigwech. This morning we got up and I looked right away. I looked at the emails, and what's there? Oh, a PayPal donation from a really sweet friend of the show, and I guess I'm not gonna say who it is. I don't know why. I feel like that should be confidential, but you know who you are, Miigwech, and you know, it was kind of, and it made me think. You know, we get a lot of support. Should I talk about this? I don't know. Where's my coffee?
I think I know where you're going.
Thanks. Oh, here. Bring, bring. Hello? BOOZHOO? Who's there? BOOZHOO? You're going to have to speak up. I can't hear you. No, I can't hear you. Speak right into the phone. I'm sorry, this may take a while.
Oh, jeez.
Look, have you never used a phone before? You have to talk into the mouthpiece. You can't just let it drag down like this. Every time we talk on the phone, I gotta tell you that. Well, listen, if that's how you're gonna be, then I don't even want to talk to you. Do you see how you are? Do you? All right. Well, listen, why don't you call me back when I'm not just using a banana? It's just breakfast, you guys. Hey, how you doing? Welcome back to the show. And I just wanted to say hello, say good morning. Looks like a beautiful muka a beautiful sunrise.
Yeah, huh?
And you know what? I think we should start out with a little prayer. Nah, you know what? We should go out inside and do that. You want to go outside today?
Yeah,
Should we
sure.
go for a walk?
Yeah, that'd be great.
Okay. I don't know. What am I going to talk about? Hallelujah. 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 Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
So yeah, we got just a wonderful Patreon or PayPal donation today, Miigwech. And I was thinking, you know, every time I talk about I read a Bible verse, or I bring up Jesus or Christianity or something. You know, invariably I'll get a comment where someone goes, "Hey, why are you talking like that? That's not our way." You know, we are Anishinaabe. We have a different way. That is the religion of our oppressors. You shouldn't read the Bible. And I'm like, oh really? Is that your oppressor? Are you being oppressed? Did somebody take away your rights? I mean, come on, man.
Not even.
And so I gotta say, for the record, you know, the Christian viewers of this show, I've been nothing but sweet.
Yeah, huh?
You know, if I put out some tobacco, or I do a tobacco offering in Anishinaabe-Moan, in the Ojibwe language, Christians will be like, "Oh, that's really great. You know, good for you. We don't want to, Christians, modern day Christians are super respectful of Anishinaabe people."
Yeah.
I don't know where they get this rap of, having pitchforks and torches. Get out of our town, This isn't Footloose. I don't know why. I don't know where I'm going with this.
Footloose.
How come when an Anishinaabe person, reads the Bible, he's got to take all this grief from the traditional people. But when he does something traditional, the Christians are like, "Yeah, that's cool. We don't care. Do what you like." Jesus loves you. Jesus was a medicine man. I mean, he was Gitche Manadu, but whatever. I don't know. I don't even know if I can use this.
Why
How
not?
long is that? Oh, it's already 7 minutes. I keep looking over here like Natasha's there. I don't even think she's
I'm
there.
right here.
This didn't work out at all.
Yeah, it did.
All right, let me just take a look at this. And with one little edit, I don't know if we can even use this. Okay, well, we just ran out of time. Sweetie, do you wanna remind them about Patreon and send us out?
Yeah, sure. Well, everybody, just want to remind you, if you'd like to support the show, we really appreciate it. There's a click to the link to PayPal if you'd like to send us a little money to help us with, extravagant life stuff like food. But otherwise, Miigwech Ganawabi Egg. Thank you for watching BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and this is Nana BOOZHOO, and I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Minawa, Hawa. All right. How's it going, G?
And welcome to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I'm happy to be here with you today to speak Ojibwe and learn about the language and culture.
Na, 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 na.
Oh, wow! That's what I'm talking about.
Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons.
The one and the only. Oh, what? That was really good, you guys. Oh, not bad for first thing in the morning. Oh, this reminds me of high school. This is Cyndi Lauper. You with the sad eyes, don't be discouraged. Oh, I realize it's hard to take courage in a world full of people. You can lose sight of it all, and the darkness inside you makes you feel so small, but I've seen your true colors shining through. I've seen your true colors, and that's why I love you. Don't be afraid to let them show your true colors. True colors, beautiful, like a rainbow. Show me a smile then. Don't be unhappy, I can't remember when I last saw you laughing. If this world makes you crazy and you've taken all you can bear, you call me up because you know I'll be there. I've seen your true colors shining through. I've seen your true colors, and that's why I love you. Don't be afraid to let them show your true colors. True colors, beautiful, like a rainbow. Oh, what?